This is how you can remove the formatting in Google Docs. So formatting is basically the style of the text that you might have copied from some website or other documents, and when you paste that on your document in Google Docs, that text would be so different compared to the rest of the content. So let me give you an example. If I copy this text from this page that has different background and different font, the result will be striking. So let's see what would happen if I paste this document. You can see that the font is different, the highlights different, if hyperlinks are also included, which is not what I want. And unfortunately, this is kind of ruining the look of the document. And to remove that, you just need to select the text again, and then click this option that says clear formatting, or you might also use the keyboard shortcut here, Ctrl plus backward slash, to get the formatting removed. And there you go. Now the style of the document has been removed, but as you can see, the text is still there. And yeah, that's probably one thing that is not going to be removed by using this feature, so just keep that in mind. Another way to get the document or get the text clean from formatting is the way you copy and paste. So if you just right click on the document again, right click on the text, and if you want to paste to get something similar to this without having to manually go to this formatting menu, then right click here and then click paste without formatting, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift and V. Let's do that, and here's the result. So as you can see, I think this is much cleaner result because there is no hyperlinks, and yeah, this is basically the same style of your document by default. If you notice that these texts are larger, because this is actually not the default size. Default size is actually just 12 points, which is exactly what would happen if you do clear formatting of the text on your document. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.